Hello, I'm Mikael Persson from Good Solutions, and I'm here to show you examples of how you configure and set up machine signals into RS production. Of course, there are many different ways to capture data, and RS Blackbox is one of them. The Blackbox is an interface between the machine signal world and the Windows world. So what we do is that we can collect 24-volt signals and have them stored in the database in a good and proper way, in a very standardized way. So I go to my office tools and I open my hardware menu and I click RS Blackbox. And what I get here is a table of all boxes that are connected to the system. And connecting a new box to a system is very simple. As soon as you insert it into a PC where you have operator tools connected, it will pop up in this table here. Very simple. There are a few different types of machine signals you can collect. There's a cycle signal, it's a production signal, there is a scrap signal, a rework signal, and so on. A cycle signal is used, of course, to count produced amount, but when you have shorter cycle times, it's also often used to identify uptime and downtime. And with shorter cycle times, we mean cycle times below 1 minute. What I do to add a new cycle signal here is that I go for create. I select what input I want to use. I know that on my box B here I have connected to input 02 a cycle signal that I want to use. So save and close on that one, and I know that it's a cycle signal for my packaging machine number 3. So save and close. And that's it. Now I have a flow going from the machine, sending the machine signal into the black box, over to the database, and it's stored as a machine cycle for my packaging measuring point 3. If I have longer cycle times than 1 minute, I want to use the production time signal instead. Works in a similar way. I select what input I want to use. Let's say that I have this uptime signal connected at my box B, input 0103, and I want to add that to my line number 2, for example. So when this signal is high, I'm producing. When it's low, I'm not producing. Let's say that I want to invert that one so that I'm producing when it's low and not producing when it's high. I can open the input and just check inverted. Very simple. If I want to automatically categorize stops coming in with machine signals, I do it here as well. So let's say that I have an automatic reason code coming from input 04 on the same box here that identifies that it's full on the that I don't have any material to my machine. So I go for line 2 again and I select the stop reason that I want to use, material supply. Save and close, and save and close, and that's it. Yeah, goes the same for scrap signals and rework signals, and of course you can do it the same way with OPC signals, connecting to an OPC server. I will show that in a separate example. So thank you for your time and see you soon.